Arizona Auto Wash offers Headlight Restoration. When your headlights become stained and cloudy from oxidation caused by UV rays, salt, and humidity, their brightness can be reduced up to 80%, making nighttime driving dangerous. Arizona Auto Wash restores your headlights' clarity and brightness by first sanding with fine-grained sandpaper and lubricant. Next, the headlights are buffed with heavy-duty compound. Headlight Restoration can save you hundreds of dollars from replacing the entire headlight and taillight assemblies. And when headlights shine their brightest, your vehicle not only looks great, it provides you with the best possible on-road lighting. Finally, Express Wax is applied after taking them from cloudy to clear in no time. Results are incredible. Check it out, before and after. Amazing! Thanks for visiting Arizona Auto Wash. You can find us at ArizonaAutoWashScottsdale.com or call 480-443-9141. Arizona Auto Wash, the best auto hand wash services available.